to start with the brown sugar chicken. It's baked.
Yes, please.
Right? And so it's going to have the sweet and tangy. And then also always use the bones. Think about when you're making chicken, use the bones because the bones are where you have flavor. So I'm going to have you put in some cayenne and coriander. I've already put in some vegetable oil.
I'm a little aggressive with cayenne. Do you mind?
Do you like it spicy?
I do.
Be aggressive.
I do. All right, so a little lime zest.
Lime zest. I'm going to cut this in half.
You always have to have some citrus, some brightness.
Yes.
Food is balance, right?
Very balanced.
So we got the heat, we got the sweet, we got the coriander.
Yes.
Which goes with everything. It's sort of like a little black dress. It's just fabulous. And then you have the acidity and the brightness of citrus.
Yes.
Ooh, that smells good.
Right? Doesn't it smell good? So we're going to put all that together. You're going to marinate that for at least 4 hours, and then or overnight in your refrigerator. And then we're going to put all the layers down, skin side down, into a baking dish. And I'm going to
throw that in the oven. So this is so easy and so simple and beautiful.
So for the chicken, we put in the oven 350 degrees. After 30 minutes, we flipped it over so that skin was on the bottom. Now the skin is going to be on the top, and you're going to let that skin get some color. I'm always saying there is flavor in the brown.
Color is flavor.
Color is flavor. So, and then you take these pan juices, and what?
Winner, chicken dinner.
A black-eyed pea salad. And when you think about black-eyed peas, you think about Hoppin' John, but I eat beans all the time.
And starting the year with black beans, with black-eyed peas in the South is good luck, just like in where my mom grew up, lentils, they look like little coins were good luck on New Year's Day and the beginning of the year, right?
Go ahead and use your grater for the garlic because it just
makes quick work of it.
Quick work. Okay, a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
Cider vinegar.
Yellow mustard, not Dijon.
I love yellow mustard.
Yellow mustard, all that tang and everything.
It's good, deviled eggs too.
Okay. A little bit of honey.
I love the honey bear.
I want to just chili flakes. You like it spicy. I'm going to do about
I love it spicy.
A tablespoon of mustard. Hot sauce.
Of hot sauce. Tabasco, born in the South of Louisiana, baby.
Boom, boom, boom.
Louisiana, baby.
So, and then we're going to go in with some oil. So I'll just whisk all of this together.
Oil's next to you in the doodad.
Oil right here.
In the cruet.
And the doodad. And then we're going to add our canned black-eyed peas, which we rinse and drain.
Ready?
Yep. Boop, boom. And then we're going to add some onions. We're going to add some cucumbers, some like grape tomatoes that we halved. And then we're going to add some dill, which I love dill. Right? So fresh. And this looks so delicious. And those black-eyed peas.
And it's so healthy.
We need a drink. So we have...
You're going to make a beverage too?
Yes! We have beverages in the
She is one-stop shopping.
I have a couple of mangoes. If mangoes aren't in season, you can absolutely use frozen. And then
people forget that the frozen food section, it still exists.
Then go ahead and add in the coconut milk. When you have coconut milk, shake the can up, stir it up so that you combine the fats and the water. Gotcha. And then I'm going to add some salt because balance. And you're gonna get the limes ready. I'm going with a hint of honey. If I need more honey, I can always add some more.
And then acidity.
Acidity, yes. And then we have some. We're gonna put some ice in it. We have some ice. Let me have one of those. Let me have one of those. Let's put that in there. Boop. All right.
There we go.
Woo! Perfect. So now what we're going to do, Rachel, we're going to pour it over a little bit of ice. And then we're going to do a floater of the sparkling
this is what I love. Yeah, a little sparkling lime on top.
Because
lighten that up.
It lightens it up.
Yeah. Who doesn't like a little bubbles?
I know, little bubbles.
Little bubbles.
Yes.
Carla Hall's Soul Food, it's brand new and it is out now. And we're going to give it away. Oh, my God!